Alright, now welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we are going to have our driveway done. I'll just get right to some of the points you probably want to know about. What is it going to cost me, sir? $5,200 that I know of. Not too bad we checked out companies in the local area. And by the way, I'm sitting on my throne. Check my throne out. My throne is free. I'm giving it away, my friends. So at any rate, let's have a look. The driveway is in horrible condition. It has been for the last 20 years. Essentially, when we bought the house, we didn't buy it for its driveway. And it's come to our attention, meaning my lovely one is the one driving this thing. So I definitely wanted to do some before and some after. What a horrible state this driveway is. I mean, I'm literally down to the whatever, asphalt, gravel, weeds. And so he's going to be coming in some kind of line configuration from our the front there all the ways to here, up against the house. And as a bonus, it's going to go straight back like this to the poly shed where there is a slab. So it's going to come to this corner here. Isn't that nice? Somewhere about here, over to the bottom of the steps. So this is all going to be reclaimed. I'm psyched out of my head. My lovely one is the one pushing for this, and there's good reasons. Well, the resale value of the house is one of the biggest. Mind you, I wish I could have enjoyed this 20 years ago. I might just have to live here to enjoy my driveway. Look up the episode of Painting My House Safely and Using Tools to Keep You Safe, such as this extendable ladder here that comes out like this and up higher, as high as there, and then you can open it up and it can get really high. You can open up one side of the ladder and put it up on here, which I did, in order to get to areas like this. At any rate, oh, there's my new spotlight. I put a LED spotlight in. He works really good. So at some point I'll be taking off these clappers and putting on new ones, but in order to get the part of my house done, no, your eyes aren't failing you. There's a different color here and here. My wife has very good colors. They're very soothing to the eyes. Back to this, okay? So what I'm going to do, just because I am so looking forward to getting this done, seeing the difference. I'm not sure if it's going to be coming from here, the edge of the house, to there. I do know that I have to move this lovely Rose of Sharon, and I'll move it to the back where I moved a lot of the other ones. He's probably going to be in the way, so is this plan here. Technically what they want is 12 inches from where they'll be putting down the asphalt to on either side. So essentially, and my neighbor knows about this, I extended my help to her already. But you can imagine this is going to get fried from the heat, all this. But I did take some 8 wheelbarrows of brick and cylinder block, a decorative brick from here. So my neighbor has a little bit of a watershed and a leach system where the water comes down onto the pebble and then goes into the ground. I'm hoping to get rid of some leaks that are going into the other side of my house. This side of my house, I'll show you. So obviously here, hoping to have that rectified somewhat. When I moved in 20 years ago, one of the first things I had to do was put in crate here. I just basically put crate there. That's not what I do for a living at all. But something had to be done. And put this new window in. Framing and all. Everything was just shot. I've done a lot of work on this house over the last 20 years. A lot. It's been fun. But it's time to get it fixed up and ready to go. This is one of your typical problems when it rains. It says, I will relocate and go down the street. So there you go. Alright, now thank you for watching. AC Custom Designs. I am not doing the work. You kidding me? I don't have the equipment. Imagine doing that by myself. Because I pretty much run my shop by myself. Thanks for watching part 1. Getting my driveway done. God bless, take care. Hey, if you like my channel, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down. Tell us why. We'll try to improve. We are getting a new camera, by the way. It's going to have two. It's a Galaxy. So I'm not even going to try to guess. But it's got two camera lenses on this side of the thing. So it's going to give me greater quality, and it's going to give me more room for that mode. This mode is normal mode. The other mode is like wide lens, but without the fishtailing, you know, the typical concaving or whatever. So, all right, that's my update for AC Custom Designs. We're up to 329. Come on, somebody, get us to 330. Oh, I'm sorry, I will get this right, I think. 639. Yeah, baby. We're getting up there toward our 1,000. Thanks for watching. Isn't that a beautiful home? Did it myself.